Destiny fails when dishonor becomes a lifestyle. It means destiny succeeds when honor also becomes a lifestyle. We also say something very fundamental, that honor can make people give you what they never planned to give you. Honor is powerful. Honor can dethrone a man, and honor can enthrone a man. Honor is the culture of the kingdom that we live in. This morning, taking the final lap, you can't talk about honor without talking about giving. Proverbs 3 verse 9. You can't talk about honor without talking about giving. Honor talks about substance. He said, honor the Lord with your possessions and with the first fruits of all your increase.